Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today we have a new unboxing, review and testing of this tool. Well, first of all, this is an unboxing and we have the PARKSIDE Compressor model PKO 270A4. Power consumption is 1.8 kilowatt and 2.45 HP. Operating pressure adjustable up to approximately 10 bar. Tank capacity approximately 24 liter. Suction capacity is approximately 260 liters per minute, and effective delivery is 103 liters per minute. Accessories included 10 meter of pressure hose, and this is a first look how it looks into the packets. Turn it around and see more specs here. Well, let's open it and see how it looks inside. Okay, of course inside what you expect. First of all, you're going to see some of the manuals. Here it is. If you want to read it, it's your choice. Oh, here we have some wheels. Okay, let's put it. This is a 10 meter of pressure hose. Sorry, accessory 10 meter pressure hose, yes of course. Let's put it. Some included accessories. You will see it on assembly. Okay. Another wheel. Okay, it's time to take it out, but we must turn it around the box. Okay. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, very nice. Okay, now, perfect. This is two wheels that we have here. 1, 2. Over here. To install the wheels. Okay. Okay, time to assemble this. It's very easy. It's the bumper to stop moving where it's working. Okay, just like that, it goes on the other side. Okay, time to install the wheels. Okay, very tight. Let's install the other. Same thing, goes to the hole. here. The bigger plastic goes first. Okay, and I will title later. Let's. Well, as we see here, it says, warning, before first use, check the oil level and replace the transport oil plug by the supplied oil plug. Okay. In here we can see it does have, it does have some oil inside. Okay, and you can see it has some oil inside, it's moving. Here we are going to install the air filter, and here we're going to put the cap for the oil. Okay. Take this plastic out. There's the plastic, just be careful. Here side is the filter. And let's install okay. Okay, that was it. Well, that was all, guys, my video for the unboxing of the PARKSIDE compressor. Here is the pressure hose. Well, I will do next video with testing this compressor, and you see how it works. I'm going to review it a little bit. And that was all. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice of course. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming. Next video, as I said, is testing this pressure. And share this video, you never know who may need it. Well, that was all. Have a nice and great day. Bye bye.